Hello, welcome to Triple Empower Agency, where we spill the tea on digital marketing. I'm Natasha. I'm your coach for today. Today we'll be branding our digital marketing flyer template. If you would like to download your template to follow along, click the link below. Once your template download, will download as a PDF form. I like to open mine in Google Chrome, so I actually just click, drag, and drop. So it will open up the PDF, and you will see a markup of the template, the link to the template to edit. You also will see our YouTube link to our YouTube, and also a link to join our Facebook support group. So we'll click here so we can edit the link in the template. Once it open up, it will bring you to this page of Canvas. So you will click here, we'll say use template. So now it's going to take you to a part of Canvas where you can edit the template. So with this, anything that you can edit, it will highlight a purple box, as you can see. So first, what we're going to do is remove, add your photo. We'll hit the trash can to delete. And I would like to make this smaller here. I'm going to scoot this over some because I want to go over the template. So when it download, this does not show. If you see here, anything in this area here does not show. It's just what's in this area will show. So I'm going to bring this down. So I would actually like to add my website. So I'm going to click just what I need remove or replace. So I'm gonna put my website. Now with this, say your website not as long as mine's, and you see it like this, right? So you actually can click here. You're gonna go here and it will pop up spacing. You will click and you go to letter spacing. As you see, when you make it smaller, get it closer. If you make it longer, get bigger, it will make it go spread out. So say if your website has a long one, then what mine has and come like this, you still go up here to the three lines and the arrow. And as you see, it says spacing. You will click here and I will bring it down. As you bring it down, now you see it put it in place. So I would like for my background to be my branding color instead of white. So I would actually click here because I want this part to change color. Go up here to the colorful background color. And I'm going to click my branding color. This is another thing I like about Canvas because you can actually save your branding colors called branding kit. So that's the way you don't have to keep entering your branding colors. You can just automatically click on it. Say I want to change my font, but I want my branding font. So you can also just click. You will go up here to, let me see if it highlights for you. Okay, don't display font. Go there, and you can just change it however you want to your branding font. So let's say now I want to add my photo of my product. Give me a second. We're almost there. And these are different things that you can actually upload. This is a background that I was using. I actually upload that because Canvas didn't have the one that I wanted. So I am going to click, drag, drop. So you see how they look when you have background, something in the background. Now say you have a white background. Now you can do white background. It's up to you, but I actually like it when it has a background, actually background. So if you would like for us to show you how to remove the white background and add to have a colorful background or a color background, just drop in a comment, remove in the comments, and we will get that video upload for you. So as you can see, you have a design, your digital marketing template within less than 3 minutes. So now all you have left to do is to download. So you will go up here to click to share. Click download. I would like for mine to download as a PNG. These are all the formats that they do download in. Say that I want to gonna share on my social media site. You actually can connect your social media to your Canvas, or you also can schedule your posts. So if you would like for us to show you how to schedule your digital marketing flyer, please drop in a comment, schedule, and we'll get the video upload for you. If you would like more videos on how to make digital marketing templates in less than 3 minutes, put in the comment more, and we'll get more videos uploaded to you. Thanks you guys for supporting. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe.